Good morning, dear children. So, um after the start button, we will see this task view. Okay. So, in the task view, you will see an overview of the application windows you have opened on your current desktop. Okay. So, this is the desktop. Below that, you will see icons representing each of your desktops. Okay. You'll get the icons once your system is fully boot, means fully ready to work. So here now I will say regarding the Cortana. Cortana is a voice controlled virtual assistant for Microsoft Windows 10. It uses the Bing search engine and data stored on the user's computer to make personalized recommendations. It also offers reminders, notebook features, and calendar options. Cortana can be hidden. Okay, actually, it is mainly used for the files for searching. That is how we used to use this one. Even in Google also use this Cortana. So, Cortana is a voice controlled virtual assistant for Microsoft Windows 10. Fine. It uses the Bing search engine and data stored on the user's computer to make personalized recommendations. Okay. For searching, actually, we used to use this Cortana. Right. Now, the security. So, Windows 10 offers a security feature called Windows Defender. The Windows Defender protects the computer against virus and other harmful programs by scanning it regular and removing anything harmful. In the sense, like as we know that there are lots of viruses, okay, which can attack our computer at any time. So for protecting that one, this Windows 10 offers us a security, okay, which we need to scan regularly, through which we need to scan the system regularly, so that the harmful virus, okay, or any malware or whatever it is which can harm our computer can be removed. Okay, so that is how the security works in Windows 10. So, and it is known as the Windows Defenders also. Now, features of Windows 10. When we launch an application, a window opens on the desktop screen. Okay, when we launch an application, a window opens on the desktop screen. In the upper right corner of every window, there are three buttons which are used for minimizing, maximizing, or closing the window. As we know, normally in any application we used to see this one. Whenever an application is opened, so upright means up corner, right hand side, the top corner, we used to see these things for minimizing, maximizing, and closing that particular application. Those signs will be there, so according to that it will work. When we use the maximize button, it brings the window to the full screen size. When we use the minimize button, it hides the window in the taskbar. We can also move around and resize the windows as follows. Okay, resize in the sense you can make that application which you have opened as per your requirement. Click on the title bar on the upper border of the window and drag it where you want. Release the mouse button and the window will occupy that location. I hope you have understood already regarding this. In a partial window, a window that does not occupy full screen, move the mouse to any corner till you see a double headed arrow for resizing. Okay, that is a sign actually. Then click and drag until you reach the size you want. Actually, these things are always good to show, good to make you understand while we see practically. Okay, so do practical these things on your laptop or desktop, whatever you have at your home. Okay, next is the icon. So an icon is the graphic representation of a file or an application. Actually, this is a small photo. Okay, it's like photo only, which we can say an icon is the graphic representation of a file or an application. All versions of Windows have different icons present on the desktop. You have to double click on the icon to open or access it. In the sense, when we open the Windows, or when the system is fully boot to work, then we can see this kind of small graphics which are known as the icons. So when we double click on it, definitely that particular application will be opened. Okay, follow the given steps to add more icons on the desktop. Now step 1, right click on the blank space of the desktop. This is called the blank space. Select new, and from the cascading menu select shortcut. Okay, so these are the steps. Now in the create shortcut wizard, click on browse in the sense to select whatever it is. So this is the thing, actually when we right click, then this menu will appear. So from here you click on new. After that, when you go to the new, again it will give you a list of informations. So from here you'll have to select create shortcut. Okay, after when you create on shortcut, it will give you an option to browse to view different locations on the computer. Choose the location of the file of which you want to create a shortcut on the desktop. Choose the file and click on the next. This is the steps. So these are all the steps you will have to follow. Whatever it has given, it will work on the same way in your desktop or laptop. So try this. Assign a name to the shortcut and click on finish. Okay, so this is the finish button. So when you have already taken that one, means which were you need to make a shortcut. So after that, after selecting all that through browse, you'll have to click on finish. So that icon will be placed here. So after placing here, whenever you will double click that one, automatically that particular application will be opened. Okay. Now is the desktop background. Background, as we know already, what is the background. Now personalize your desktop by choosing a background image or your desktop. Follow the given steps. So these steps you need to follow. Means when a system is boot fully, so what picture we see, that picture can be changed. Means that is called the background. Okay. So now steps are: right click on the blank area of the desktop and select personalize from the menu that appears. Means right click on the desktop, after that click on the personalize. Okay, in the personalization setting page, select background option from the left panel. Okay, a blue line to the left of the option will indicate your choice. Choose your background picture from the right panel. Means once you click at here, automatically it will show you the different images, or you need to select the images. Once you select that images, okay, choose the background appears from picture, solid color and slideshow. Choose a feet for your picture from feet, stretch, tile, center and span. Actually these are all the options, like the picture which you have selected, how it should be looked like when a desktop you see. Okay, so now once the options have been selected, the desktop background changes. Okay, so this is the desktop background. This picture actually we have selected from here. Okay, for the desktop background. Previously what was there? Previously the screen will be like this. Okay, so when we have changed this background and we have selected this picture, so it will be shown, and this is called tile. Okay, among these feet, stretch, tile, center and span, this is the tile style, you can say. So do practice this one at your desktop or laptop. The rest we will see in the next class. Great.